Good morning, children. In the last turn, you had learned the first phase of revolution, in which the autocrat rule of king was abolished and the power was transferred to the elected National Assembly. And the king's position was like a constitutional head in the system. Children, this time I will explain you the other proceeding phases of this revolution. As on your screens you can see, this is the third unit, that is France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. So let's begin. Children, the story moves in another interesting way, as you know that though Louis XVI recognized and signed the Constitution of 1791, but secretly he was talking with the kings of Austria and Prussia, as all these countries were the monarch countries and were in tension because of the political upheaval taking place in France. So they were planning to send their troops in France against revolutionaries, but they could taken any action. Before that, National Assembly passed a proposal war against Prussia and Austria in year 1792. And when the this proposal was passed, so thousands of volunteers joined army, as they saw this war against king and aristocrats. Among the volunteers, the patriotic song Marseillaise was common. They sung this first time when they started their march from Marseille to Paris. Marseille is a city located in southeastern part of France. So these volunteers basically start their march towards Paris, and when they were moving towards Paris, so on their way continuously they were chanting, they were singing this song, that was the Marseillaise. This song was composed in the city of Marseille, so that is why this got this name in this way, Marseillaise, and later on this became the national anthem of France. It is the national anthem and was composed by the poet Rosette de Lisle. Children, as you know that whenever there is war in any country, so any type of war always brings losses and economic difficulties for the people. So the same was happening in France when National Assembly voted war against Prussia and Austria. So definitely lot of expenditure was made in this war, and due to this again France was felt in a big economic crisis. The prices were being hiked day by day, all the men were fighting at the fronts, and women were left to cope up with the task of earning living and looking after their families. Means when all the men of the France were fighting at the fronts, at that time the whole sole responsibility of taking care of the families and earning livelihood was on the shoulder of the women. Means the women were facing this crisis, and due to lot of expenditure in over the war, prices were being hiked and the economic condition was being deteriorated. Deteriorated means बद से बदतर, मतलब already the France was facing crisis, and when it was involved in war, so it made the economic condition more difficult. Along with this, a large section of the population was not satisfied with the revolution held in 1780